Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Village Capital Mortgage account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link. After you do that, what you have to do is press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Village Capital Mortgage. If you do not want to type in this link, what you can do is simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in Village Capital Mortgage Login, press enter. Now you'll be able to see several results over here. Click on the link provided by bkiconnect.com. After that too, you'll be led to the official login interface of Village Capital Mortgage. Now in this interface, what you have to do is enter your username and password in order to log into your account. So click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. Also enter your password. Click on the field of password and enter the password. If you want this computer to remember your username, check on this box, remember my username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is check on this option, I agree to the user terms and privacy policy. Once you do that, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into the Village Capital Mortgage account. So that is how you log in Village Capital Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.